Welcome back to the another quarter-final match is going between Austria versus Japan. The match has been started. Baumgartner is leading the ball. Nicely pass. Beautiful touch by Hiroki. Yoda. Baumgartner again pass, but Morita was there. Big chance. Kubu hit. Nicely picked by the goalkeeper. 8 minutes have been passed. Well tried by Japani team players. At the start of the game, they tried to attack, but missed it. Baumgartner again leading the ball. Another chance for Austria. Directed but defended by the goalkeeper. There will be corner kick. Another headed. Nicely clear. Yuda again leading the ball. Nicely pass. This time Baumgartner again leading. Nicely pass. Beautifully picked by the goalkeeper. 20 minutes have been passed. Still both team players are struggling to achieve the goal. Let's see who will achieve the first goal, who will take the lead. Baumgartner. Mitoma, beautiful pass. Marco is now leading the ball. Nicely passed to Michael. Directed, nicely picked by the goalkeeper. Well tried. Mitoma, nicely picked by the goalkeeper. Baumgartner, this time again. Takumi leading the ball. There's a mistake. Nice pass. Stefan is now leading the ball. There's a chance. Nicely passed to Marco. This time again beautifully touched. Kubu is now leading the ball. Nicely passed to Ritsu. Kubu again taking the chance. Mitoma. This time a big chance directed but missed it. Well tried by Mitoma. First half is almost going to be clear. Still, both team players could not achieve the goal. Hiroki, the time is over. Half of the time has been over. The second half has been started. In the first half, both team players tried their best but could not achieve the goal. Let's see what will happen in the next half. Ritsu this time again. Nicely clear. Marco passing to Michael. Michael leading the ball. Beautiful pass to Lemmer. Directed but beautifully picked by the goalkeeper. Nice kick. 55 minutes have been passed. Lemmer nicely passed. Marco is now leading the ball. This time taking the chance for Austria.
The attendance for this match was 60,800.
Big chance, nicely clear. Another chance for Marco. This is the golden chance, but defended by the goalkeeper. That is magnificent defend. Appreciated for the goalkeeper. Takumi. Marcel. Alexander this time leading the ball. Taking the chance. Lemmer. Touch the player. The ball is outside of the line. There will be corner kick. Had it. This time nicely clear. Again there will be throw. Philip Alexander. Only 15 minutes remaining for this game to be completed. If both team players could not achieve the goal, then extra 30 minutes will be given to both team players. Only 10 minutes remaining. Taking the chance. Yuda, beautiful pass to Ritsu. Taking the chance, directed and goal. Just after 83 minutes, Ritsu got the first goal for Japan. Magnificent kick, directly hit to the net. That is not only the goal, that could be the match changing goal because only 7 minutes remaining for this game to be completed. Marcel, nicely pass. Morita, Yuda again leading the ball. This time again beautiful pass to Takumi. Defended, beautifully defended. Kubo, beautiful throw.
Added time.
Only 1 minute remaining for this game. Mitoma, nicely passed to Yuda. Takumi again. This time Takumi got the goal in the last moment of the first. Beautifully done by Takumi.
Number 8.
Austria 2, Austria 0, Japan 2. The time is over. Japan won this match.